This is drawing exercise number 4, and we're looking at problem number 4. This is one where we're going to use the multi-view drawing, top, front, right side view, and change that into an isometric drawing. And again, we're going to start out with the construction box. So I have a starting point here, and I'm zoomed out a little bit so you can see the way that I have the drawing board set up with the T-square writing on the bottom of the clipboard, and I've got the triangle over here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now. There we go. And I have a starting point down here, point A, and this is where point A is in the top view, front and side view. So that tells me that the front view will be on the left, and I'm going to lightly draw my construction lines to make my construction box. So 30 degrees to the left, 30 degrees to the right, and then go vertically. And the width will be over here, and the depth will be here, and the height will be right here. And the blocks are a 1-to-1 ratio, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the width, which is right here. The depth is 4, and the height will be 4 also. So once we locate those dimensions on our 3 axes, and it's no problem to just project those and finish the construction box. So I'm just going to come from here and go to the right, and I will project up from my depth dimension and up from my width dimension, and where those lines intersect, it will be 30 degrees to the right and 30 degrees to the left to complete my construction box. Right like that. And I'm going to take out some of these lines that are a little bit darker than I would like. Took that one up just a little bit high. Okay, so the next step is to take the information I have in the multi-view and put it onto the various views in the construction box. And if I look at the top view, I see that the only surfaces that are actually touching the top plane are this surface and this surface. So I want to draw those in on the top view. So it's 1 block by 1 block, and they're both located on the outside corners. So I'm just going to darken this in right here. Right like that. Now if I look at the front view, the front side of the box, I see that I have this L shape. So the next thing I'm going to do is put that L shape on the front side of the box. We come down 2 blocks here, which would be right here in the isometric, and then we project all the way to the end like that, and then I can have my L shape. Okay, so we have this shape, we have the two blocks on the top surface, and now if we look at this, we can see that this part projects all the way to the end, and then it has a cutout shown with this hidden line here, and we can see that that goes all the way to the back side of the object. So I'm going to lightly put a line there, and I'm going to come back, go a little bit higher with my triangle. It's a little tricky drawing on these clipboards, I won't deny it. And this line will connect up to the corner,